Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club, and I'm so excited to show you our July box. Our theme for July is red, white, and baked by you. If there was ever a time that we want to celebrate our amazing country, it is right now. We have all come together as a country and worked together for so many things with the pandemic and things happening in our country. And I cannot be more excited to share this box with you because I know many of you are home and not able to go to summer camp and not able to visit people that you want, so we can do fun activities at home. So our baking kit for July is here and we are ready to send it to you, so let's open it up. So first of all, you always get this amazing red box, which you can reuse to give out as gifts once you bake your goodies. So let's open it up. Now the first thing is, if you have never ordered from us before, you always get a free apron, a kid's apron. This is awesome. If you've already got a box from us, then you already are wearing your apron, way to go. And we have a special just for summer because we want kids to feel like they're at camp, so they also get a kid's t-shirt. We love that. All right, let's look in. So first of all, you always get your information about everything that's in there. It's what we're baking, what we're decorating, and what you're going to learn as far as educating. And it gives you all the tools that you'll find inside your box. Now, the other fun thing is we always make a donation to Voices for Children, which helps foster kids around the country, and we love doing that as well. We want to pay it forward for sure. So here are some of the recipes that we're doing this month. So the first one is My Country Fruit Muffins, and when they are baked, they look like red, white, and blue muffins. And I have to tell you, these are delicious. I brought them to a party. Everyone loved them. This is our decorating this month. We are decorating these beautiful ice cream cookies, and there's a fun thing in here about how to make the icing using Kool-Aid packets. And we're doing using bamboo sticks, we're doing red, white, and blue brownie kebabs. So it's perfect for like a barbecue or a fun thing, especially for 4th of July. Oh, we're doing a pasta, red and white. It actually looks like a flag when it's all turned out. It's so delicious, called red and white pasta bake, yummy. And we're doing these firecracker hot dogs. They look like firecrackers with the star that you're going to get in your kit to make it really cool with the cheese. And we always have a baking lesson. And so this month it's all about being safe in the kitchen. It's something your parents can go through with you to make sure that we keep ourselves safe in the kitchen, because not sure if you knew this, but the kitchen is the most dangerous part of the entire house. So we want to make sure we're safe when we're baking. Of course, we always include our shopping list. Here's our shopping list. We always have the N, which is the things you need, and the H for the things you already have. And then if you're new to our kits, you always get this binder cover, because everyone that's in our baking club, what they do is they take all the recipes, they put them in a 3-ring binder, and then this slips into the front cover, and then everything is color coded so that when you actually put them in your binder, it's done by color code. Makes it super fun, super easy, especially to find new recipes. Now also what you get in this kit for this month, I'm going to set the box aside for just a second. So I always have fun things inside. First, you're going to get 25 bamboo sticks, because this is going to help with the firecracker hot dogs, and then also the red, white, and blue the brownie kebabs. You're going to get your decorating bags. These are tipless bags, perfect for making your cookies. You always get your care package on how to care for your supplies. And here's the mini star. This is going to be used for your brownies and for your cheese. And voila, here is our adorable ice cream cutter that's going to make amazing ice cream cookies for your party. Surprise everybody. And then one of the fun things we have is a little kid's mini whisk. This is perfect for when you're beating up eggs or any type of other ingredients. It's really fun, especially for kids, that you can put in your kids' baking box. So this is our July box. Hey, go to kidsbakingclub.com and we will get this box out to you ASAP. We ship the next day, and you should have it within a few days, if not tomorrow. See you soon.